Hello there everybody. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add transparent background in Canva. So it's same as adding the background but you gotta work more on that. It's a quick, simple change, but yeah. Without any further ado, let's dive right in. Let's choose a background. First thing first, let's go to upload. Let's say I want to choose this as a background. Let's say this as a background, by hitting the set images background option. So this is background, right? So I need this to be transparent since I want to add more to it. Maybe I want to write article or I want to add more photos. I mean, this background right here is quite up there. It may be distracting and stuff. So yeah. In order to make it more transparent, let's go to this option. You can see the many options like flip and animated there. In between, there's a transparency option. All you have to do is tap in there. And you can simply drag it all the way down, make it a whole lot transparent or a little bit this is fair enough. This will do. It's not quite up there and it's kind of transparent also. Maybe up to 40 will do. Yeah, this is perfect. So this is how you make a background transparent in Canva. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next video.